Hey there, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through how to create a custom Smartsheet template in just about 15 minutes. By the end of this quick tutorial, you'll know exactly how to leverage templates to save time, especially if you're just starting out or want to streamline your workflow. Whether you're building your first project or looking to get more organized, you'll be amazed at how easily Smartsheet's templates can be tailored to fit your needs. Let's dive right in. The whole idea of using a template is to give yourself a head start. Instead of spending hours recreating the same types of projects or trackers over and over, why not build off something that's already structured for you? Templates act like a blueprint. They have many of the pieces in place, so you just need to put on the finishing touches. So once you're on your Smartsheet homepage, the first thing you want to look for is either the plus button or the create button. Depending on how your interface looks, this will be on the left side or right on the homepage. Don't worry if you don't see it right away. Sometimes the layout can shift a bit, but it's always somewhere up top or on the side. Go ahead and click that. This is the gateway to building something new, whether it's from scratch or from a ready-made template. After you click, you'll see a few different options pop up. Look specifically for the option to use a template. Usually there's a link or button that says Browse Templates or View All of that one. Smartsheet has a pretty robust library of templates, so I recommend taking a peek at everything that's offered. Sometimes you'll find one that saves you even more prep work than you expected. When you're browsing, don't stress about choosing the wrong template. There are really no restrictions here. You can select anything that catches your eye or fits the kind of project you need to manage. Just use the search bar to type in a keyword like tracker, project plan, or whatever matches your workflow. For instance, if you're managing client relationships, searching for client tracker will bring up a ready-made solution with all the typical columns and dashboards you need. Now for today's demo, I'm going to select the client tracker template, but feel free to pick whichever one suits you best. Once you've made your choice, click to open the template. You'll see a preview. Take a moment to look around and get a feel for how it's organized. Think of it like getting the keys to a new apartment. The spaces are laid out, but you get to furnish and decorate however you like. To truly make the template your own, head into the sheet, often labeled something like Client Tracker Sheet. This is where the actual data lives. From here, look for the dashboard option. The dashboard is your control center, where key information is displayed at a glance, and you can personalize it with your company's colors, logo, and any custom widgets you want to add. Maybe you want to highlight top clients, track overdue tasks, or even embed a welcome message for your team. Don't be afraid to customize, change column names, add new fields, rearrange things, or even remove what you don't need. The beauty of Smartsheet templates is they're completely flexible, so your workflow can be as unique as you are. And remember, it's totally normal if it takes a few moments to get comfortable. Experiment, adjust, and don't worry if you make a mistake. You can always go back and tweak it later. If this was your first time setting up a template, give yourself a hand. You're now set up to get things moving much faster next time, and every project going forward can benefit from this foundation. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to hit the like button. Got any questions or a request for another Smartsheet walkthrough? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I love helping out. And don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step guides just like this. Good luck getting organized, and I'll see you in the next video.